Hey, everybody, it is Wednesday. We're approaching the end of May now. We're heading into June, people. Into June. How's your year been? It's been pretty crazy. I don't think there's anybody that isn't going, what's going on. It's the 26th of May. It's halfway through the year, pretty much. We have some really exciting news when it comes to HapPhi. The updates I'm going to read to you are actually sent over by the development team. So, from a process standpoint, I lay out all the requirements, send them over in written form so that people understand what's going on in my brain. We have a review session to answer any questions. Once the questions are answered, we start to lay out the wireframe designs and build out the actual stack. And then the development starts. We start to actually lay out what the UI, the UX is going to look like. And right now, a lot of my time is spent making sure that everything's perfect on that, because it has to not just look pretty, it has to be very functional and scalable. It has to be, I'm a big component, or a big proponent of not having a bunch of things to click, making everything easy off the front page. And this is a complex product. I can't wait to show it to everybody. So what's new in the product? Let me read you off the list. Search is done. That's big, because the centerpiece of this product is really data management. How do you get to your stuff quicker? How do you find it quicker? How do you add more efficiency to your life? How do you have your life better by using HapPhi? So HapPhi makes you happy. So search is huge. There's a distributor channels, storage, and one-to-one chat are all built. So the S3 containers, the back end, are tied in. We're tying in. Actually, last night we were tying in the email server, so that we can send notifications for password reset, all sorts of stuff like that. I like text for that as well, but you got to have both. Distributor stuff. So sign up fixes are built for the distributor side. Phone number selection through the IP of the user. So the user's IP will be gathered, and a lot of people are using different different ways to mask their IP. For most people, they're using VPNs. So we'll actually go with wherever the IP address says. It'll then pull up the country in the state, and then they can choose what area code they want from there. So pretty sophisticated stuff. The states will get fetched according to country, cities fetched according to state. So geo work. We have all users, banned users, and suspended users functionality in, so you can actually ban people, suspend people, move people in and out of groups, move people in and out of channels, and invite people as well. Unbanning users as well. You can't just ban people and have no way to unban them, because then you'll have support that has people clamoring all day saying, I made a mistake. Suspend and unsuspend. So you can suspend, say, I want to suspend this person for 24 hours. They've been bad, very bad. So it actually lets you act as your own social media company in a lot of ways, which is kind of cool. And it does that not only in a general sort of way, but also with each channel could be its own social media company as well. So the storage meter is also built in. That goes along with the storage. So it shows almost like a gas light of when you're out of storage. Free space and utilized space built in. Multiple file upload is built in. So multiple files can be uploaded at once into storage, progress bar for each file. Once uploaded, it'll display a check mark. It'll disappear. So very nice. So you can get your data into the system very quickly, efficiently, easily. Channel stuff. So within each channel, this is the functionality we finished this week. Delete all messages. So message can be unsent or deleted. So it can actually be deleted from the other person's side. So if you send a message you don't want, let's say you accidentally send a picture that was inappropriate. You meant to send a picture of your puppy. You sent a picture of your puppy, different puppy. You can delete that and not have a Jeffrey Toomey, whatever his name is, moment where you actually have some revealing stuff accidentally revealed. And that'll delete on the side of the users as well. That's the beauty of Socket.io. It's so much better than email. You can leave a channel. For public channels, you can rejoin the channel. For private channels, the channel gets removed and you can ask to rejoin if you want. You can remove a member. For public channels, the user can rejoin, or for private channels, the channel gets removed from the user's listings. So you can star messages and unstar, so you can actually do your follow-ups. It also lists all your starred stuff, so you can actually have a sort of running tab of what's important for you to handle up at the top. Search. So you can search on letters. It's performed over containing letters. For example, given if it searches for N, then all messages for and band scanned and relevant get displayed in the search. So the search is a really big component of this. Context search, one-to-one message search. Search can be performed over just one-to-one chat as a filter. User sign up, show and hide password is now built in. It's all those little things, right? You know, how you can see or not see your password. That's functionality you have to build in. And then it's been run through testing and quality assurance. So everything works. That's the beauty of testing. If you're actually doing a software product and your group out there is not actually running a test software, then it's like somebody showing up to do handyman work and not having a toolbox. Then they don't know what they're doing. So to the developer that I had to fire previously, that's how it works, buddy. And give me my money back. I'm just kidding. I'll never get that money back, but hundreds of thousands of dollars through a con artist. Welcome to the world of big business. So that's it for this week. That's a pretty good amount of stuff. The UI is so pretty. I'll look forward to showing that when the time's right. Thank you guys for your support. Please ask any questions that you have. If there's any help that you need, if there's something specific you need, if maybe you have an idea and you're trying to get some information, you don't have to give me the idea. I'm already busy enough with my own, but yeah, happy to help kind of guide you in the right way. I've made a lot of mistakes that have cost a lot of money. I would like to be able to keep you from making the same mistakes so it doesn't cost you as much money. That would be a nice thing to do. So everybody have a great week. We'll be back and do this again tomorrow. So we have got one more of these this week, and then we'll jump on and do a couple of them next week as well. Bye, everybody.